Let's learn how to crochet this cute mesh headband step by step. So the crochet hook that I'm using is 4.0 mm and I'll be using pink and white yarn together. Let's make a slip knot, and now we will work on our foundation chain. So let's do 35 chains. And our foundation chain is complete. Now let's add one more chain, and for the first row we will work one single crochet in each of the chain. So let's complete our first row with one single crochet till the end. And our row 1 with single crochet is complete. And now let's do 5 chain for our next row, and then turn your work. And now we will start our mesh pattern. So skip 2 stitches into third opening, work 1 double crochet. And then again chain 2 and skip 2 stitches into third opening, 1 double crochet. So like this, complete till the end with 2 chain, skip 2 stitches, 1 2 to third opening, 1 double crochet. So complete row 2. And our row 2 with mesh pattern is complete. Let's do our last stitch, which is last double crochet, and we will begin our third row. We will start by making 6 chain, then turn your work. After that we will make double crochet on the top of the double crochet from our previous stitch. So right here we will work 1 double crochet, yarn over your hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then again chain 2, and like this we will work till the end. Let's complete our row 3rd. And our row 2 is also complete. And now with the same pattern we will work on our 3rd row. So let's complete our 3rd row. Start by chain 6 and then do the same double crochet pattern. And like this our 3rd row is also complete. And now for the finishing we will work chain 1, and here we will work only back loop single crochet. So you can see the V here. We will work into this stitch. So insert your hook into this V, work 1 single crochet, again insert your hook and 1 single crochet. So like this we will complete our row with back loop single crochets. So let's finish our last row. Okay, so we have completed our single crochet row. Next we will do a few more single crochet stitches to give our corner a rounded shape. So let's continue this, and we will keep doing single crochet until we reach the middle row, and then we will start making the strap. And so you can see the round shape of the corner. And for the strap we will do 30 chains. And after 30 chain add 4 more chains, and now in the 4th opening we will work 5 double crochet. Let's do 5 double crochet into same stitch, and then into the next chain we will work 1 single crochet. Now let's complete 1 single crochet stitch until the end of the chain, and this is the cute corner of the strap. Let's finish one single crochet stitch. And here we go, our strap 1 is complete. And now we will complete this edge with one single crochet stitches. And then chain 1, cut this off. So our left strap is complete. Like this we will work on the other side with one single crochet, and then in the middle we will do chain 30, and the process is same. So let's complete the other strap as well. And like this your mesh crochet headband is complete.